Folks, welcome back. So continuing on from where we left off, we're then going to start doing a wee bit of shelling and then we'll apply our colours to our bottle. So to begin with, shell tool very easily. Shell tool at the top, it is a 3D modelling task, so it asks to remove a face. Now even though our bottle had a lid on it, just to make things a wee bit easier, we're just going to click the top surface. Now we can see it's like a mil wall thickness. If I was to change that size, it ups the wall thickness, so I quite like the look of the 2mm wall thickness. Press OK, and there's our basic bottle. So next step, let's get some colour on it. So I prefer the method of using this colour wheel at the top here, so let's drag that to the side. Open up this wee colour wheel. Now again, just try to make our lives as easy as possible. We're going to expand the home, and then this one here is the middle option, which is the appearance library. So I'm going to expand the appearance library, and there's all of my materials I can make it look. Now, depending on the material you can pick, can sometimes alter the overall look of the decal, and I'll maybe show you this in another video, but just for ease to begin with, we're going to start off by making the vast majority of this perhaps kind of glass. So if you could do all the glass at one time, I would click, hold and drag my mouse, cover the full object. On my left hand side here, find the glass option, and then just apply a glass that you think might be appropriate. So I'll try just uploading that clear colour to it so you can see multiple options here for how it could look. So let's maybe just go for this option here, clear. So even though it looks like nothing's happened, we can see this reflective surface. Now that's currently just because the object's not been rendered. So it just looks like a grey, shiny colour, whereas when we render it, that'll fix. Now, I'm going to go back in, I'm going to then maybe go to the plastic option. Now we add a wee bit of kind of colour to it, so I'm going to change this label here, or this part of the label's going, just for a wee bit of ease for later on. Make this red, and I'm going to make the top bit red as well, just for a wee bit of colour, make it look a bit interesting. Now I could always take that one step further, and zoom right into the lid here, and then use this thread option. All I simply need to do is pick a face, so I'll do the inside face. These are a lot of dimensions and information for what type of thread you want it to be, the difference between each thread, the size, so on and so forth. In this case, I'm just looking for that kind of aesthetic. So I'm just going to hit OK. And then I've got a wee image that looks a bit like a thread. And that is your basic cola bottle.